Welcome back to Auto Matrix. Today we're diving into the 2026 Hyundai Tucson, Hyundai's latest evolution of one of their most popular SUVs, and it's safe to say this isn't just a refresh. It's a bold new statement in the compact SUV market, blending cutting-edge design, smart tech, and refined powertrains. Whether you're looking for efficiency, comfort, or a touch of flair in your daily drive, the 2026 Tucson aims to deliver it all, and then some. The first thing that hits you is the styling. Hyundai has taken the bold language introduced in the previous Tucson and pushed it even further. The front fascia now features a more sculpted interpretation of the parametric grille, with integrated DRLs that light up dramatically when the vehicle starts. The overall silhouette has been refined, still angular and aggressive, but with better aerodynamics and a more upscale presence. Sleek LED taillights, a subtle roof spoiler, and dynamic creases across the bodywork give the Tucson a sporty, confident stance on the road. Under the hood, the Tucson 2026 continues to offer a range of options, giving buyers flexibility depending on their priorities. You've got the refined 2.5-liter gasoline engine with improved fuel economy, a turbocharged 1.6-liter hybrid, and the plug-in hybrid variant that now boasts an extended electric-only range of up to 50 miles, thanks to an upgraded battery pack. Hyundai has also fine-tuned the suspension and steering to provide a more composed and agile driving experience, something that really stands out during everyday commutes and highway cruising alike. Inside, Hyundai has gone for a cleaner, more luxurious cabin layout. The center console now features a dual-screen setup with a 12.3-inch digital cluster and a matching 12.3-inch infotainment touchscreen that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Physical buttons have been minimized in favor of capacitive touch controls, though thankfully, volume and climate toggles are still intuitive to use. The overall cabin design is airy, with ambient lighting, premium soft-touch materials, and a new horizontal dash layout that enhances the sense of space. One of the big talking points for the 2026 Tucson is its technology suite. Hyundai's latest version of their SmartSense system includes advanced driver assistance features like Highway Driving Assist 2, Blind Spot View Monitor, Remote Smart Parking, and Adaptive Cruise with machine learning. It learns your driving style and adjusts accordingly, offering a more natural-feeling assisted drive. For families and those who need versatility, the Tucson still delivers. Rear seat passengers benefit from improved legroom and optional heated seats. The rear seats fold flat with ease, opening up over 2,000 liters of cargo space, ideal for road trips, shopping hauls, or weekend adventures. Hyundai also added more USB-C ports throughout the cabin and a newly available wireless charging pad that cools your phone while charging, a small but smart upgrade. Sound insulation has also been noticeably improved, especially in hybrid and PHEV models, where cabin quietness rivals some luxury brands. Combined with optional Bose premium audio, the Tucson offers a surprisingly upscale driving experience for its segment. On the charging front, the plug-in hybrid now supports faster Level 2 charging, going from empty to full in just under 2 hours with a 7.2 kWh onboard charger. This makes it even more practical for daily electric-only use, without the need for frequent gas fill-ups. Pricing remains competitive, with the base model starting around $30,000 USD, and fully loaded hybrid or plug-in versions pushing closer to $42,000. But even at the entry level, Hyundai packs in an impressive amount of standard equipment, including a full suite of safety features, the digital gauge cluster, LED lighting, and dual-zone climate control. So, is the 2026 Hyundai Tucson worth your attention? Absolutely. It's a compact SUV that feels anything but compact in terms of features, space, and performance. Hyundai has clearly listened to driver feedback and refined an already solid vehicle into something even more desirable. Whether you're a tech-savvy commuter, an eco-conscious driver, or a family looking for everyday versatility, this Tucson checks all the boxes, and maybe even adds a few new ones. That's it for today's in-depth look at the Hyundai Tucson 2026. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Auto Matrix, and hit the bell so you don't miss future reviews of the hottest new cars. Drop a comment below. Would you pick the Tucson over rivals like the CR-V, RAV4, or Mazda CX-5? We want to hear your take. Until next time, drive smart and stay curious.